So here's the back bit. It's all faded across the back, and as you can see on the spoiler, it's all lacquer peeled across that. All the trim's coming out. It's even nearly gone through to the primer there. See on that bit. The gas cap doesn't shut properly, but I'll sort that. There's a big dent here. So what I'm going to do is just literally spray all the car. It'll be a lot easier, and all the front bumper is cracked. You can see it on video. Little lines there, they're all crack marks. Infinity badge. And as we go around here, you can see all the lacquer peel. So that's not going to buff out, that's going to need to be painted anyway. This ring's not too bad, it's got a couple of gouges out of it and stone chips everywhere. And down the side here, and as we go across here, and this bit's not too bad, but all I could do with the painting. I need to take the rear lights off, all these trim bits across here, and open the door up. And take all these bits off down here, including the plates, they're a bit of a mess as well. And all the trim bits under here, so I can paint it properly. So what we need to do now, we need to just remove all the trim bits that I was talking about before, get the bumpers off, get the spoiler off, ready for me sanding down, ready for the primer stage. I'm also on Instagram under Bignoisemotors, which I'll put in the description. Right, let's get to it. Right, that has got to be the quickest teardown of the side of a door I've ever done. All the bits were dead easy, and all just these little, just held in by these little clips and a couple of screws. So you can see all the little parts, the interior, all the screws, the plate was only held in by 2 screws that, and the top here was held in by these clips, and the outer cover. The door card came off with about 4 screws. This bit showing now, so it's a nice easy place to paint. No masking needed. Right, time to take the spoiler off. Right off now. Right, what someone's done is the brackets have broken at some point, and they've just shoved some like silicone in instead of fixing the bracket, so I'll just have to fix that. I'll be able to see it on this side more. See it. Brackets were supposed to go there, but they've just shoved some silicone in. Okay, all that's sorted. Spoilers off, doors apart. Just need to get this back bit off now.
One hour later.
Right, if you're trying to get the side rear tail lights out the car, you don't need to take all this apart to try and find out where they bolted to. So all you do is take the top screws out there, and they're on little hooks. So when they go on there, they just literally hook out away from their car. So literally the hook in there and then hook out. And obviously on that side, it would go outwards as well. This is what I was removing before. There was 2 nuts on this one and that one, and then you have to push these clips together and push it out. And that one as well. There's just 2 of them. There you go, 1, 2, and 2 of them. But you have to access it from the inside of here. So you can see where the holes are. So they come through down there. Down there. So you have to get yourself in down there and undo them nuts that are there. It's a bit of a pain in the butt really. Right, that's the rear bumper off. It was held in by 1 nut here and 1 nut there, which was on that one and that one on the inside up there. And then there was these 2 clips, that one and that one's broke, which I'll fix, which were just pushed inside there. So you basically just squeeze them together and then it pops off. And the same with the other side. There is no rust, no nothing.